Need to remove a connected account from your Stripe platform? Whether it's an old integration or no longer needed, managing your connected accounts is important for security and organization. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to safely delete a connected account on Stripe. To start, log into your Stripe dashboard as the platform owner. Navigate to your Connect or Platforms section, which is where you manage accounts connected to your primary Stripe account. You'll see a list of all your connected accounts. Carefully identify the specific connected account you wish to delete. It's crucial to select the correct one to avoid any unintended disruptions. Once you've found it, there should be an option to disconnect or delete the account. Stripe will usually ask for confirmation before proceeding. Finally, confirm the deletion. Be aware that deleting a connected account can have implications for any data or transactions associated with it, so ensure you have any necessary records beforehand. Once confirmed, the account will be removed from your platform, and there you have it. Deleting a connected account on Stripe is straightforward. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.